a United Methodist woman, one of nearly 1 million laywomen who have chosen to be a member of the largest laywomen's organization in the world. We seek wholeness for ourselves and for others, especially women, children, and youth. We are involved in missions locally and globally. UMW started in 1869 with 6 members. We have been involved for over 135 years. Like women who followed Jesus, we have responded to the needs of people.
I'm Millie Orr. I'm a United Methodist woman. I'm one of 169 members of the 6 circles in this church. Last year, the North Georgia Conference of United Methodist Women gave approximately $436,000 through the Southeastern jurisdiction. This money supports mission projects around the world.
Hi, I'm Angie Morton, and this is Amy Daniel, and we are the co-chairs for the United Methodist Women's Children's Consignment Sale.
For 12 years, a committee of United Methodist women have held a fall and spring consignment sale, where approximately 300 participants bring in their gently used baby or children's clothing and equipment and mark it for resale.
At the end of the sale, the participants take home 70% of their profit, and UMW retains the other 30%. All of which goes to various missions in our community as well as globally.
Each sale's profits continue to increase, therefore increasing what we are able to give each year. Last year alone, we were able to donate almost $40,000. Jesse's House, Family Haven, Methodist Children's Home, our counseling center, and many others have all been beneficiaries. Come out and see and experience something truly incredible.